Okay, welcome back to Terrible at Fishing. Today I'm going to show you something that's really important, and it's something that I learned on my last fishing trip, and it's with my Garmin Striker 4. Now normally for ice fishing you would use the flasher mode, but the problem with the Striker 4 is that the flasher mode you cannot see your bait go down because we use very small jigs. So somebody told me to use the A-scope function. The A-scope allows you to see your bait go down and find those fish that are coming up. And it's the best way to go ice fishing with the Striker 4. So watch how I go into the menus and see what the screen looks like. So, traditional. So here's your A-scope. Traditional scope. Hit menu. Go to sonar setup. Appearance. Oh yeah, there it is. A-scope. On. Off. A-scope. So go back. It's right here. A-scope. Traditional. Again, I hope this really does help you guys out a little bit when it comes to it. That's my daughter, and it's this will help you a bunch. I knew exactly where the fish were. I knew exactly where my bait was this last time around, and I caught a lot of fish. So just do it this way with the Striker 4. It is one of the most affordable, best, all-around fish finders money can buy. For $100, look at the link below. Please subscribe. Look at the link below. Go straight to Amazon for $100. You can't go wrong, both in your kayak, your boat, and out on the ice.